Eritrea, a champion arose. Bbiniam Girmay with the heart that glows. Riding through the mountains, conquering the hills, making history with his cycling skills. Bbiniam Girmay, the pride of Africa, breaking barriers, reaching for the stars. Green jersey shining, victory inside. First black African to win, what a glorious sight. Pedaling with passion, determination in his eyes, defying the odds, reaching for the skies. Through sweat and tears he never gave up, proving to the world he's a true cycling champ. Bbiniam Girmay, the pride of Africa.